Have you ever wondered how some industrial plants achieve 99% reliability in their rotating equipment? The secret lies in expert engineering knowledge and application. Organizations face significant challenges with rotating equipment reliability. Many experience frequent pump failures, compressor issues, and bearing problems that impact production. Without specialized expertise, companies suffer from excessive maintenance costs and lost production. Engineers responsible for rotating equipment often feel overwhelmed by complex failure modes and performance issues. They struggle with vibration analysis, alignment requirements, and optimization of operating parameters. This leads to repeated failures and inefficient operations. This masterclass provides advanced training in rotating equipment engineering. From theoretical foundations to practical applications, participants learn to design, maintain, and optimize rotating equipment for maximum reliability. Organizations implementing these advanced principles report dramatic improvements in equipment reliability and performance. Maintenance costs decrease while equipment efficiency increases. The comprehensive approach leads to better equipment selection and operation. Professional engineers completing this masterclass become rotating equipment specialists, often leading reliability improvement initiatives. Their expertise becomes invaluable for solving complex equipment problems and optimizing performance. Don't let rotating equipment problems limit your plant's performance. Join leading engineers who are mastering rotating equipment through professional development. Enroll now in this comprehensive masterclass. Your path to rotating equipment excellence starts here.